Nice little thunderstorm. Got some hail coming down. Not a good sign. Hail means it's high enough to make a tornado. Coming up out of the southeast too. That's always a bad sign. That's where tornadoes come from. That's good for the garden. It waters the plants. As long as the hail doesn't get too big, doesn't look like any of them got damaged. Came down hard in the beginning, and now it's slowing down. The hail stopped. So let's hope that's the major part of it. It's just little hail, like maybe pea-sized. I walked out to get the mail and got kind of wet. No damage done. And it looks like it's mostly stopped now. Rain chain's doing its job. Kind of a nice little tinkle, tinkle, tinkle as it comes down out of the gutter. I haven't checked the radar. I don't know if it's a big storm sweeping through or just a bunch of little ones. Right now, it seems like a storm front had something going, but it only lasted at most 5 minutes.